Hey guys, it's Sam and Bard, and today we're going to talk about 3 easy ways that you can get into character even when you don't want to. We've all been there. You out? Every time. Guys, I know the feeling. Touch my elbow. Are you done? This is it, huh? He's gonna preen right there. Ah, screw it. We're doing it like this. Okay, so we've all been there. You have D&D tonight. Big game, maybe big boss battle. The snack table is gonna be lit, and you've been looking forward to it all week. But work or life has just kicked the absolute motivation right out of you. So, how are you supposed to get in the mood to play, let alone be your character? Well, I know the feeling. I got you guys. Here are 3 time-tested by me and some of my friends, time-tested ways for you to get in the mood to play D&D and step back into your character's shoes. Ready? 1. If you based your character even a little bit on some fictional character in a book, in a comic book, in a TV show, in a movie, draw upon that. It was inspiration for you once, it can be inspiration for you again. So pick up that comic book. Google the scene from the movie that just like embodies that character and the parts of that character that you put into your D&D character, and watch that, and it will totally get you in the mood. I promise. Number 2. You know what I'm gonna say, don't you? Yeah, dress up. I know. I say it in every video, and I'll probably continue to say it in every video I possibly can because I truly enjoy it, and you're literally stepping into someone else's shoes. That's too good of an opportunity to pass up. Sorry. Not sorry. But seriously, a lot of actors will tell you that the final puzzle piece for getting into character is putting on the costume. I know, not everyone has time to make like a big fancy costume, and maybe you don't want to be the only one at the table dressed completely as an archmage. I mean, more power to you if you do. I am here for that. But it doesn't have to be anything big, and others may not even notice that you're dressed up at all. I do this all the time. For my blood hunter, Ansel, I frequently braid my hair back out of my face the way she would, and I wear a lot of things with a snake motif because that's kind of her jam. It's also my jam, so I have those things, but I concentrate the snake accessories onto my person when playing that character. What sentence structure? If you have an assassin, maybe you wear all black to game. If you have a character that really likes nice fancy things, maybe you wear your nicest jewelry, or you put a lot more effort into your appearance than you normally would, or you do your hair like them. Like, it can be something extremely simple like that. It doesn't need to be anything fancy, but just the act of kind of going through the same motions that they would really helps you get in that mindset. So try it out. Number 3, music. This one's my favorite and probably one that I utilize the most. Take some time to build a playlist for your character. It can be songs that express how they felt about certain events, or songs that tell the story of their life, songs that express how they feel about another character in the party. Anything like that that makes you think of that character. then leading up to game, listen to that playlist. It can be on your ride home from work. It can be, I do it all throughout the day on a day I know I'm gonna play. So give it a try. Let me know what kind of music you guys have on your playlists. I'll leave links to mine in the description below so you can see what I mean. So that's it. Now that we've run out of daylight, thank you, Bard. Those are 3 moderately foolproof ways to get into character, even when you don't feel like it. Let me know in the comments below which one you're gonna try next time you have a game. And as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. Oh, it's too far away. Bye. Hey guys, it's... Are you gonna cheat? You almost pooped in my coffee. That would have been it, man. That would have been it.